what motivated me to want to become an engineer was at school I really enjoy studying maths and physics, and so I wanted to move into a career where I could apply the theory that I learned and solve real life problems. I chose Sheffield University because I really liked the structure of the course, how it was more general in the first couple of years, and then I could figure out what I wanted to specialise in third and fourth year. I also saw that it was ranked #1 Students' Union, so I knew that I would have a great student experience when I came here. I chose to study electrical and electronic engineering because my favourite topic in physics in school was circuits, and I was also really interested in the technology used in computers and computer chips. It was also something that I personally thought had the right mix of lab work and theory, as I'd be able to do soldering and working with lab equipment, as well as doing maths and circuit analysis. I really like how Sheffield has a large variety of things to do, such as there are many green spaces, independent cafes and museums, so there's always somewhere to spend time in. There's also really good public transport systems, so I could easily catch a bus or a tram even to the Peak District. In second year, I had to design a forward converter for a switch mode power supply. This involved designing the transistors, the inductors, the transformers, and then soldering them all onto a printed circuit board. I then had to take measurements of the final circuit. I think that there's a wide range of facilities available, so there are many libraries with study areas, so you can find somewhere quiet to study or a group room if you want to study with your friends. The Students' Union building also has places to eat, shops, and also study areas as well. The Diamond has many modern facilities available. For example, there is an industry standard clean room, and the Electronics and Control Lab has great equipment available as well. So the highlight of my time at University of Sheffield has been taking part in the IEEE Extreme 24-Hour Programming Challenge. So this is a worldwide competition where you have to solve a series of programming problems, and they can be really challenging. Our team managed to come third in the UK, which I was really proud of. So I'm a part of the IEEE committee, which runs a lot of guest lectures for the department. I'm also Inclusions Officer for the EEE Society, and we run a lot of socials. For example, recently we held a EEE ball and a go-karting social. We also hold bi-weekly pub socials, and we're always open to any fun ideas that anyone has. I believe that inclusivity is very important, especially since Sheffield University has many international students from all over the globe. I also think inclusivity is very important in EEE, especially because it is a very male-dominated course, and it's important to encourage people from underrepresented backgrounds to study it as well. So I'm doing a placement at Collins Aerospace with UKESF. UKESF are also partnered with Sheffield University, and they run many events promoting inclusivity. For example, the Girls into Electronics event, which is held for sixth form female and gender minority students and encourages them to get into electronics. So the course can be quite challenging, especially in first year. There are many lectures and labs to attend. So my advice is just to stick with it and try your best at everything, because the course is also very rewarding, and once you graduate you will leave with all the essential skills and knowledge required to succeed in your future career.